Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
And we're in Canterbury. We went into the town today on the bus, didn't we? I thought Carol had took the camera, and
I thought he did.
yeah, neither of us put it in the bag. We left it on the table.
We had a senile moment.
Yeah, it's age-related mental blockage. But yeah, so yeah, you have to excuse. We've done a couple of little videos on the phone, but we couldn't really enjoy the town, could we?
No.
There must have been hundreds of American tourists and Asian, Japanese,
Chinese,
yeah, something like
whatever, you know.
Yeah, they were Asian from Asia. You had to fight to get past them in some places. And when we went to go into the cathedral, weren't it?
Pay to go in the cathedral. I couldn't get over that one.
Yeah, I know. In Europe, we get it. You don't charge, do you? No, Coventry, where we come from, we got two cathedrals, and both of them are free to go into. You know, but it's a tourist trap. What do you expect? In it,
£17.
Yeah, I know. But we went to have a look, and the queue was that huge, weren't it?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
It was in the store, weren't it? It went round the store and out the door. And I said to Carol, I'm not queuing up.
Would still be there.
Yeah. It's a shame. It's a historical mark, isn't it? It's somewhere we haven't been. But I weren't going to pay the price. That was ridiculous, just to look at a bit of architecture. You know.
But it was lovely.
Oh, it's lovely on the outside,
Yeah.
but I'm tight. No, I'm not. I'm frugal.
No, tight.
Okay, so left our waffling. It's just a little bit of us walking up to the cathedral after we got past most of the tourists, and a nice little quiet spot where someone was punting their boats.
Yeah, that was lovely.
They were tourists and they were punting. Sorry about this on the...
It's a phone.
Yeah, my hands are shaking. We're back in the camper again now, and it's bloody warm. There's no sun today.
No.
Considering the weather we've had, it is still warm. So we're going to enjoy a nice cup of tea.
Coffee?
No, I'm having tea.
I've got coffee.
I don't care what you're having. I said I'm having a nice cup of tea. And I'm losing the plot here today. Yeah.
It's okay. We both are.
So yeah, it's just a little short one of Canterbury. Anyone that's been here, we know what we're on about. You can't stand in the street in video. There's people knocking you, isn't there?
Yeah.
And unfortunately, manners have gone out the window. You try to film and people just walk in front of you. So yeah, two little short ones of Canterbury. Then we're going to have a slow afternoon, an early night, because our ferries, we leave at 3, don't we?
Yeah, so we've got to actually leave here by 11:30.
Well, about 12 o'clock. It's about a half-hour drive.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know what the checks are now at the ferry. I don't know if
True.
we've got to go for all the bloody electronic crap now.
That's true.
But yeah, so we're going to have to leave here about midnight to get the ferry, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then the next time you see us, we'll be parlez-vous français.
Well, you will, and I can't speak it.
Nor can I, but it sounded good. No. Oh, before I go, anyone that's taking their drone to Europe, be warned. Your English licence and your English drone
Number.
ID number, aren't legal in Europe. You have to have a European licence. You can do the French one online. The only trouble is the questions are in English.
French.
No, the questions are in English, but all the information you need is in French.
Oh, that was it, yeah.
So yeah,
He
be
had
warned.
fun.
My French, my French is schoolboy French, and I was 50 odd years ago.
I was going to say ... years ago.
Yeah, and on my second attempt, I passed it. And it's not like the CAA one where you got to pay for your license and your drone number, in it.
Yeah.
In France, it's free, but you will need public liability insurance for your drones. If you get caught in Spain without it, the drone rules. What's the maximum it was? 200 and something thousand euros fine for flying without a license and public liability insurance. France is quite expensive on fines about it as well. So yeah, be warned. There's a lot of people bringing their drones over, thinking that because we were part of Europe, that our license covers us. Well, it doesn't. And remember, you need public liability insurance of a minimum £1 million. But on another video, I'll tell you where I've got it for £24 for a year with membership of another club. So yeah, I'll let you know about that later on.
What a tease you are.
Well, they've got to watch the videos, haven't they? But yeah, you do need an EU drone certification, don't you? And the drone license and the drone ID number. So then you've got to register those online as well. So it's not just a matter of taking your test, it's a matter of having to go in, register everything. But like I say, it is all free. So, but be warned, there's a lot of people bringing their drones over, and I don't know if they know that since Brexit, the CAA doesn't work in France.
So please,
yeah, just be careful.
Yeah, well, get your licences.
Yeah, that's true.
You don't want that kind of fine.
It's free to get, in it. The awkward part is answering the questions in English when you can't read what they're asking you in French. So I just basically used the knowledge I had with the British test, and the first time I did it I got 68%, which is a fail. Next time I did, I got 78, so we squeezed through. But that's it. Okay, less of my waffling. Now we'll let you see two geezers punting down the river and a little bit of Canterbury Cathedral from the outside. Catch you later. Take care.
You take care.
Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sorry, I thought you was my wife. I was just going to grab him on the arm. I'm so sorry. Just come out from under the bridge.
Eh?
The chap that's doing the punting had to lay down to get underneath it. Oi. It's nice away from the tourists. It's
Quiet.
there's lots of little hidden places and it's quiet. But the tourist areas, there's too many in one area, isn't there? You can't appreciate it. Well, there you go, folks. It's only a short video of basically a couple of geezers punting.
Yeah,
and
but
the
it was
cathedral.
so peaceful.
Down the back streets were nice, weren't it?
Yeah.
But in the main street, the high street end, where most of the tourist things are, we must have just caught it wrong, didn't we?
Yeah.
There must have been busloads brought in.
I got to admit that some of the things that we see were fascinating. That's a house made out of flint.
Well, a lot of the buildings are built out of flint here.
But
You just haven't seen it before.
I've never seen it before.
No.
Like,
That's
you
it,
know,
yeah, well,
it just fascinates you. Little things amuse little minds. Don't say
that's
nothing.
very little.
Don't say nothing. You rotten thing. Go away. That's it. I walked straight into that one.
She keeps opening the door for me to go through it. Anyway, yeah, but this is it. So the end for Canterbury. Those of you who haven't been here, the parking ride, I'll show you it. You know,
It's worth it.
it's worth coming, and I'll just show you what it's like. Hang on. Let me just flip you around. It's just basically a great big bloody car park. They have got an airs over here where you can fill it with water and empty your toilet, but that gets chock-a-block. There's an overfill there. But as you can see, you get the bus just down here. And the bus is free all day. So you can get into the town for nothing. So well, that's it really. It's a park up. I'm not sure how much it is at the moment. Last time we come it was £10, weren't it, for the night?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, last year it was £10 for the night. Basically you come in, you can either go and pay down by the machines, but you can tap your card
As you go out.
as you go out. That's what we did last year. Anyway, that's it from me,
And for me.
and we'll catch you in Fronte.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So what do you say? Au revoir.
Ciao.
No. That's Italian.
I know.
Okay.
I like to be different.
So, au revoir.
Okay, au revoir.
Until tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Take care.
You take care.
Bye.
Bye.